sets of 10 commandments in safety drive. 1. I will not drive when drunk. 2. I will not pass without care on curbs, not hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. 3. I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twice without signaling my intentions. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will not slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. Second, safe traveler. 10 commandments and road safety from traveler. Thou shalt not give at thy phone. Second, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. 3. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. 4. Thou shalt not take any chances. Thou shalt buckle up barricades. 6. Thou shalt not drive on the right. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty light. 8. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep the distance. 10. Thou shalt practice patience. Third, self-clearance and 10 commandments on traffic from traffic. First, keep right. Second, observe road courtesy. 3. Prohibited parking. 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule, lining up to the bus stop zone. 6. Rule to prevent or untangled traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. The philosophy of the Pinoy drivers, first come, first serve bicycle. 9. On pedestrian. 10. Remember the international driving safety reminders. And thank you for watching. And